Well, it's like guys, I need to meet here with Cat again. Testing a little bit of goat.
It's getting janky in here.
Yeah, I'm playing a deck I don't know how to play.
Do it. Yeah, my deck's not that crazy at the moment. It's not my Ben K weirdness deck.
Probably discard this card. And, we can probably discard... This is probably incorrect, but I don't like that card because it's hard to play it, and I don't want to deal with it. Because I don't know. I've never played a goat with Solemn Judgment. That one.
Wow.
Yeehaw.
You goddamn Chungus.
All right. What's the other card?
Well, I don't know. I'm weeping a little bit. Let me get rid of... God, what do I do? I guess I have to get rid of this card.
All right, I'm just going to poop this thing out there. Go ahead.
Thanks.
I'm going to poop out that fat boy.
Do you have the water in hand? That would be... Oh, you're playing this list. Okay.
I literally just like yoinked it off of GoFormat.com, but literally made one change. Because I don't want to play Berserk Gorilla.
Well, I don't want you to knock me and set me even farther back, so we're just going to do that.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Activate the effect of Abyss Soldier.
Of course you have it.
I drew that.
Can you...
Bounce
what do
your
you
set.
bounce? Oh, well, get rid of it.
You're ringing my Abyss Soldier?
Yeah. Now that I know you have Serpent. Let's just not.
Oh god, what do I want to do?
Exiled Force my Shining Angel.
Sure.
or Warrior Lady, whatever your poison is.
No, we want Exile Force in the graveyard.
Cute.
Because if I draw like Call or Preemie, I want to be able to utilize Exile Force.
God.
We'll just do this one. Oh, you get Graceful. Look at that. He got there.
Took me a second. Sheesh.
Oh god, thank god for the mute button. I had a fat sneeze there. You're back in the game though. I use a lot of resources. You also use a lot of resources, and you got a light in the dark.
Yeah. Well, let's see. I get to discard this thing.
Okay, it's pretty good.
And I feel like this is gonna do nothing to you.
That is correct. That card is terrible against me.
Although it, with my hand, it's actually admittedly not horrible, but...
Is it because you have Tsukiyomi?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna kill it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to.
Okay, it's dead. You did it. Alright, let's get Serpent. My computer's running much better than it was earlier. Alright, oop, there it is. Break. Boo.
Yeah, good cards.
I almost flipped it last turn, too.
Yeah, now that I know you have it.
Because, like, I was like, alright, if I want to hit whatever you set, like, because if you're thinking, my thought process was, oh, he must have, you're setting Mirror Force or Saku because you're more comfortable with putting Sook back in your hand and not taking the damage because you have a Battle Trap. And, I was wrong.
Alright.
So I was
Give me
like, I'll
that.
take the trade of losing my breaker to Sook for your battle trap, to trade off your battle trap, and it was a damn dust tornado, and I'm wrong. Kid can't even read.
Rip. Let's go for... I could just do it again.
That is also a thing you could do.
Do it again.
But do you want to do it again?
Not really. I need to have a body stick on the board, which is what kind of concerns me at the moment. I'm gonna set this in my standby phase.
Alright, well, I was incorrect. Activate Tribute Exile Force.
Oh,
Uh,
I was hoping you'd tie it with breaker and then I'd kill something.
well, that's not it, so.
It still could be. We still have a chance. Oh wow, you're not gonna kill me.
No, I need more monsters to do that, and I don't have that.
Clearly. Hey, good Yugi Mons.
Oh, that's a good card.
What you got in there? Got some stuff.
You have a lot of cards.
I'm gonna put a bigger body on the board.
Pretty good.
Banish it, and...
You can't banish it. It's on the board still.
Oh, that's true. Banish that guy, and
I'm pretty sure that's the ruling. I could
banish
be
that
wrong.
guy. No, you're right. You're absolutely right. We're doing these things.
Activate this card. Ooh,
Oh my god, give me the tokens.
it doesn't matter.
Okay, well, I have 4 tokens.
This is a wasted effort. I have to draw my 2 cards if you don't mind. Here you go.
Oh, thanks, man. My Kaiku's Honor Guard. Aww.
Kill both.
Sure.
Alright, go ahead.
Ouch,
And we
my
both
guy.
resolved Graceful Charity and Pot of Greed.
Yeah?
If both of our hands are broken, then neither of our hands are broken. Or we're playing modern Yu-Gi-Oh! And we're just throwing negates at each other.
That's kind of what it feels like.
It's not really fun.
Oh, man.
You gotta poop something out, my dude.
Oh, this is cute, actually. Normal. Swap. Oh. Oh, shit. That's GG.
Yeah, because what? Oh, and pass, draw.
Well,
then-
you get Sinister back. You just...
Yeah, just destroy it and attack for game.
Hang on, let me... Is there anything I could ram to get that would save my life? I don't think so.
I mean, you could take 600 right now and go look, but I don't think there is.
I will on the off chance there's something I've forgotten about. But I cannot imagine anything in Go format.
What are you gonna get? Battle Fader?
I wish. Yeah, no, that's GG's.
Aw, good memes. Thanks for watching, guys.